Today we are going to see Elon Musk's time management strategies, and this video is everybody who wants to be successful like this man leading the world. And let's get real now. The time is getting very serious. How many of you feel there's not just enough time in a day for you, and you wake up and you get busy, and by the time all things are done, oh, it is 6 p.m. and you have barely scratched your to-do list. Does this sound familiar? What if I told you that there's a way to change this relationship with time? Today we are going to talk about none other than Elon Musk, one of the busiest people on the planet, and he has mastered time management like a pro. And would you like to be the same? Because for this you need to be a good student, and for the people who are going to be here are going to learn a lot, because we all have to be lifelong learners. Ever you have felt overwhelmed juggling multiple tasks at one time? You are not alone. Elon Musk has Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink and the Boring Company. And while innovating industries left and right, here's what he does. He's not just working hard, he's working smart. Would you like to work smart? Come join me. Let me break this down for you. How does someone running a $4 billion company manage to get it all done without burning out or without losing the mind? Well, it's all about time management, and Elon Musk got really a good strategy you can adopt right away, right now, today. Let's look at how you can work smarter and not harder. The first thing is time blocking. Time blocking is Musk's secret weapon. First things first, time blocking. You have to set aside a particular block for a task. Like Elon Musk has broken the entire day into 5-minute blocks. From meetings to even thinking time, he knows where every second is going. And the moment he walks into his day, it's planned. And 5% of the people, this is a survey, that they do planning consistently for last 30 days. You please check for yourself. Did you do this? Last 30 days planning your day consecutively. But here's what is more important for you. Not just creating the time block. Now, you have to understand that if Elon Musk can do with billions on the line, you can do it with your daily tasks. Set specific periods for your important tasks and stick to them. Secondly, prioritize your important tasks. Musk is also a master in prioritization, and the bigger the person becomes, the more overwhelming or more multitasking the routine becomes. So prioritizing actually gets very difficult. Here, let us use a technique. As Elon Musk focuses on 20% of the task, giving him 80% results, this is Pareto rule. You also focus your energy on these some 20% tasks which are going to give you the actual result, and leave the rest. So what are the 1 or 2 tasks that will move your needle today? Tackle those first and leave the minor stuff for later. Delegation is the third thing. Elon Musk is smart enough. Did you see he picks up people as per their attitude, as per their skills, and not as per the certifications? And his company, you can see, he hires talents, people, trusting them, and then getting the job done and letting them go. Because when you do this, you are free. You are free for the creative bit, you are free for the monitoring bit, measuring bit, you are free for the many review and things which are important actually to measure the task, the quality of the task, the speed of the execution, because money loves speed, and time, T-I-M-E, M is money, your financial GPS. So focus on the big picture. Fourth, again, this I'm repeating, it is eliminating distraction and focusing, because he doesn't waste even one single time, and every second is ruthlessly managed by his focus approach on the priority. And here how you can do that. Audit your time. Are you spending too much time on social media, checking emails, attending pointless meetings? Cut those. Make a to-don't list. To-do list, to-don't list. To-don't is where you will not do these tasks, and really this will take you forward. And comment me and let me know whether this really worked for you. With this work-life balance, prioritize balance, not with perfect. Elon doesn't perfect work-life balance, but he prioritizes it. Understand that to achieve big goals, his time outside the work needs to be just as intentional as he's during the work, whether it is spending time on his kids, stepping away to recharge, or anything. Remember, you don't have to work 24 into 7 to be successful. I was doing it when I was in India, a geographic location. Now in UAE, I learned from the governance of UAE 4-day work week. They are doing tremendously. You saw one of the videos. If you have not watched, watch my video on Dubai. And you see, living here, I am really vouching, this what I'm learning. Even I'm getting results in my life. And you see the Dubai results, the UAE results here. We just need to manage the time better, and we need to upgrade and update on a daily basis. Time blocking, prioritizing, delegating, cutting off distraction, work balancing. Can you see, this is what I'm summarizing for you? Because if he can do this multi-billion-dollar company approach, even you can become at his level. And now it's time for you to take charge of your day and start your time blocking and blocking your schedules, prioritizing your important tasks, and cutting out your distractions with the do-don't list. You have just 24 hours like Elon Musk has. So how are you going to use them? Please let me know in the comment what is the new thing you are bringing on as a change, and let us come closer and talk to each other and meet each other in the links which are provided in the description, so that you also learn something new, which is winning work week formula. Let us do this together. And I want to really ask you and submit to you my humble submission. If you loved the video, show the love with the like, subscribe, and sharing it with any of your friends, and my dear friend, commenting. See you in the next video.